Fats and oil are necessary ingredients in our daily diet. But at the same time, they are the major cause of inflammatory diseases that we experience in our life's journey. Inflammation is a means where your immune system is reacting of things that are regarded as invaders, bacteria, foreign in the system. So when your system is reacting, that sound like fighting things that are not supposed to be in the system, we experience it as inflammation. It might come in form of blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, acne, pimples, eczemas, and other inflammatory reactions. Fat and oil contains some fatty acids such as omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9. All these fatty acids are very essential for our health, especially when consumed in right proportion. But when excess of omega-6 fatty acid is consumed, it induces inflammatory reactions in our system. So in today's video, we are going to look at fats and oil that are compatible with respect to your blood types. At the end of this video, you're going to recover the missing link in your health by knowing the oil that you need to eliminate. You're going to understand the oil that has been catalyzing inflammatory reactions in your system. Starting with blood type O. From previous video, we learned that by ancestry, this blood type have zero tolerance for fats. Their system cannot metabolize fat, but they can deal with oil in right proportion. Oil that are monounsaturated, such as canola and almond oil, must be taken in small quantity, but their beneficial oil are flaxseed and olive oil. Having said that, this blood type must eliminate avocado oil, peanut oil, corn oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, and other oil as shown on the screen. They trigger inflammatory reactions in their system. Blood type A. Unlike blood type O, this blood type need little fat to function well. So it's recommended that they take a tablespoon of olive oil because it's going to help in digestion and elimination. This blood type must eliminate corn and safflower oil from their diet because they contain lectin that interfere with digestion in their system. Their beneficial oil are olive oil, flaxseed oil, walnut oil, and blackcurrant seed oil. But they must eliminate peanut oil, coconut oil, corn oil, other oils are shown on the screen. Blood type B. This blood type do well with olive oil. So many oils are no for this blood type. Their beneficial oil is just strictly olive oil. So they need olive oil. At least they can take a tablespoon of olive oil every other day on empty stomach, preferably before meal. It's very beneficial for them for digestion and elimination. But they must avoid safflower oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, corn oil, canola oil, and other oil as shown on the screen. The final blood type is blood type AB. This blood type will rather metabolize olive oil other than animal fat or hydrogenated oil. So their beneficial oil is olive oil and walnut oil. So they must avoid sesame, safflower, other oil as shown on the screen. From this video, something is prominent that the healthiest oil we need is olive oil. If you have problem of acne, be careful not to eat food that is too oily. Whenever you cook your food, your oil must not be seen separate from your food. And whenever your fried food are the most culprit of inflammatory reactions. Because whenever you fry your food, it increases the high level of omega-6 fatty acid, which is a trigger for inflammatory reactions. If you're a lover of fried food and you're having problems that have to do with inflammation, you have high blood pressure, you are obese, you're fighting with weight, or you have problem of acne, Please stop eating fried food. They are not healthy at all. When you have your meat and you fry it, it becomes poison. So as much as it depends on you, run away from fried foods, especially if you have inflammatory diseases. So at this level, you would have discovered why you are suffering from what, and oil that are not your beneficial, your neutral. Take them in small quantity. When oil are supposed to be taken in small quantity, you're eating food and you're feeling oil. It is wrong food. Please, let's eliminate this wrong food. Let's stop this wrong habit of eating so as to recover the missing link in our health. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and give us a thumb up if this video has inspired you. Please don't forget, let's educate our world. Share this video with your loved ones. Educate people around you. If you know people that are having these inflammatory reactions or inflammatory diseases, please help them so that together we can recover the missing link in our health. Don't forget, we have only one life and we need to live it well. Till I see you in the next video, keep living life with respect to your blood type.